What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're going to be focusing on getting the timing belt on, the water pump, painting the valve covers, and we'll see what else we can do too. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so in the last video we did the cams, the cam gears, the new oil pump, resealed the bottom end, and today we're going to focus on getting the valve covers back on and getting the rest of the timing components back on, and see where it takes us from there. All right, so we're about to throw some paint on the valve cover, and I just went with this high temp Rust-Oleum, just a black, just to match the rest of the color scheme that I'm going with the engine bay. Same paint I used to paint the intake manifold. I'm probably gonna do a coat on the exhaust manifold as well, but I'm gonna end up doing exhaust wrap on that too. So yeah, I'm gonna finish some coats on this and all right. Did a few coats on each of them, looking pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and move these into a safer area so no animals or dust or anything gets to them. All right, guys, so we got the valve covers painted, the new radium press and fitting there installed, and by the way, all I did was just follow the instructions, put it in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. It says 10 to 15, but I let it sit in there a little bit longer, and just put it in there and using my dead blow hammer to kind of beat it in there. So everything looks good, pivots like it's supposed to, and we have a barb fitting that's going to attach here, and then the hose is going to go to the inlet pipe of the turbo. So we got that on. We got the water pump front and rear housings, the hard pipe here for the coolant. It goes to the heater core and all that stuff. That's back on. And yeah, so next thing is we're actually going to replace the valve cover gaskets because I just sat them on here to see what it looked like, and I'm pretty happy with it. Should look pretty cool when it's all done. All right, so let's get going on the valve cover gaskets. All right, guys, it's looking pretty good. Pretty excited. We got the valve covers bolted down, and now we're just gonna finish bolting up the new crank sensor, and then we're gonna replace the old cam sensor because this thing right here is pretty beat, and that's the new one here. So all right, guys, got everything on. Just need to finish torquing a few things down, and she'll be good to go. So yeah, once we finish torquing some stuff down and we add some gaskets, she'll be ready to drop in. All right, guys, so that does it for today. Next video, we're gonna work on probably doing the engine bay and swapping out some plugs on the harness, maybe even installing the fuel pump. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. All right, see you.